Okay, so when we're looking at polynomial functions where we have p of x is equal to something. So what we need to do is see that we have x replacing or 1 replacing x. So what we need to do is we need to replace 1 wherever we see an x. And then using our order of operations, we would solve this. So 1 squared, that's 1 times 1 will give us 1. And then 2 times 1, which is 2. And then 6 times 1, which is 6. So then we have 2 minus 6 plus 1, which gives us negative 3. So a similar process for all the other ones using the same equation, which is 2x squared minus 6x plus 1. So 2x squared minus 6x plus 1, p of x. So what we're going to do here is again replace negative 3 wherever we see an x. So then we have negative 3 squared, which would be 9. And negative 6 times negative 3, which is, well, actually, negative 6 times negative 3, we'll do that right now. So we have 2 times 9, which is 18. Negative 6 times negative 3, which is positive 18, plus 1, which ends up at 37. And finally, we have 0 for all x. And now this becomes a lot easier because wherever we see a 0, it's eventually just going to multiply to a 0. And the answer is what's left over as 1. Now let's look at simplifying polynomials by combining the like terms. So we have to combine everywhere where we see a variable and the same exponent. So if we have a, we have negative 4y plus 2y. That's when we combine them, we have negative 2y because that's negative 4 plus 2. B cannot be combined. And the reason why is because the exponents are not the same. So we would leave it as is. C we can combine, that's 15x cubed minus 1x cubed. So 15 minus 1 leaves us with 14x cubed. And finally, we have D, where we would group everything that's together. They're a little bit out of order, so we want to try and group everything that's together. So we can see that a squareds go together and the numbers go together. So 7a squared minus 3a squared. 7 minus 3 is 4a squared. And we have negative 5 minus 7, which leaves us at negative 12.